What is going on, Internet? My name is Lou, and I make Linux videos, and I put them on the Internet. So today I wanted to talk to you about this little guy down here. This is Docky. It is a really popular dock application that's been around for a very long time. Now, if you've watched my previous video, my ElementaryOS Luna preview, and if you haven't, I do suggest you do, I talk about Plank, and right now in its current state of development, I'm not a huge fan. It's very limited, and the dock. If I feel if you're going to have a dock, if it's going to be one of the central focal points of your operating system, it should be feature rich. And right now, where Plank is, it's just not. Now, to the credit of the Elementary developers, I am using a daily unstable build that's not even a beta, and it's nowhere near a final, it seems, at this point. So, Plank's just not working for me right now, but that doesn't mean that Plank won't be good by the time Luna is official, and I'm sure it will be. Everything that Elementary does is polished, so I really like that. Now, I'm going to show you guys a few, simple features of Docky, and I'll also show you how to install it. Now, installing it's actually really simple. If you come to, you can do it in the terminal, which is normally what I use to do everything, which would be a simple sudo apt-get install Docky, or for those who are somewhat new, you can come over to your software manager, or software center rather, and in the search just type Docky, and as you can see here, indicated by the little green check, I already have it installed. All you've got to do is click the install button, supply your password, and you're good to go. So Docky, as you can see down here, has this really nice HUD theme, which really fits and ties in well with the Pantheon theme that we have here by default. Now, if you right-click on the Docky icon, you go into your settings. Excuse me. As you can see, we've got all the different themes here, and they'll give you a preview as you select them. Again, HUD is my personal favorite. Excuse me. You'll also get the option to install additional themes if you'd like. You can actually install additional docks as well. I believe PingIOS comes default using Docky, which has kind of a dual dock setup. Over here on the left is a bunch of actually folders, your home folder, your music folder, your documents, etc. And then, of course, your main application dock down here at the bottom. And ironically, ElementaryOS used Docky in its very first release, which was Jupiter, and the developers of Docky, I believe, are actually helping to put Plank together. So I'm very hopeful with Plank, because I think Docky is such a fantastic application that if Plank comes out like Docky, then I think we'll be in luck. You can also use docklets, which are essentially just little small applications that run within your dock and allow you to do different things like check the weather, or there's a trash bin docklet, and then you've got all sorts of nice little features. So if we go back into settings, go back to docklets, as you can see, you got a battery monitor, CPU monitor, clock, Gmail, this is a volume mounter. So you even got a little NPR streaming radio. So as you can see, there's a lot of different stuff that you can do with the Docky docklets. So that is really, really nice. It is really smooth, as you can see here, and it just ties in so well with Elementary, which is why I think that they used it to begin with in Jupiter. And again, I would love to see Plank kind of follow along in this vein, because it's an excellent dock application. So now, one of the things I'd also like to show you is how to make Docky your default dock application. So when you start your computer, Plank does not start and Docky does. So if you come up into the wing panel here, what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to select the dconf editor. Let's see if I can remember. If you go to desktop, gnome, nope, that's not it, org, Pantheon, and then select this right here. As you can see right here in the monitored processes, it says wing panel, comma, and then you can see it says Docky. By default, it's going to say Plank. All you've got to do is select inside of this box here, get rid of the word Plank, and then make sure that you just type in Docky. And that's it. As soon as you click anywhere out of that box, Docky will pop open. Now, if Plank is open, all you've got to do is either log out and log back in, or open up a new terminal window and type kill all Plank, and then hit enter. And that'll actually, end the Plank process, and Docky will be your main dock application. So guys, that was just a quick review of Docky. I'm not going to go into every single feature that Docky has. I definitely suggest that you install it and go through everything yourself, because it's an awesome application. And that is how you replace Plank with Docky. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. I'm going to be releasing a whole new slew of video content on all different Linux distributions. I will be keeping up with this Elementary project because it is one that has really impressed me as of late. But please subscribe, follow me on Twitter. I do have links to all my social media content in the video description. And until next time, guys, take care, and we'll see you later.